Good morning, guys. We are back out on the water again, and it's just an absolutely beautiful day. Glass like anything, no wind, and sunny days out. So you know we had to be out on a day like this. So guys, today we're back up. I just launched out of Gravenhurst. We're going to run straight up Lake Muskoka just because we've been there and done that. You guys have seen that. Please check out the other video for it. I'll put a link in it here. The goal today is to check out Lake Rosseau and, oh my gosh, Lake Joseph. Man, it's too early in the morning. We didn't get to it last time because the lock was closed, COVID, all that stuff. So today I'm going to run straight up to the lock, try to get through and explore those two lakes there. Thanks to one of the subscribers, Kyle, for giving me some pointers to places to check out there. So thank you, Kyle, appreciate that. And yeah, we're just gonna get going here and just enjoy this beautiful day on the water. So hope you come along with me and enjoy exploring Lake Joseph and Lake Rosseau today. So let's get going. Sunscreen. There, I think we're good. Punch it. Wow, guys, I didn't film that. I'll film that on the way back out. It's like a manual lock. That was cool. All right, let's keep going. This is all new now. far north as you can get. Actually, no, there's a little bay I gotta go check out as well. But this is as far north as you can get on Lake Rosseau. So check that one off the list. There's a little inlet I'm gonna go into and check out just to see what it looks like. And then what we'll do is we'll head back south and curve and go into Lake Joseph and explore that out. So far from launching in Gravenhurst up to like the north end of Lake Rosseau, I have used 4 bars of gas. I've been running about 55 kilometers an hour and pretty flat water. So just an update for you there. So yeah, not much right here, but let's keep going and seeing what this little inlet looks like. I think I might go somewhere, not far, and then we'll come back out and go down. So guys, I hope you're enjoying the video so far. We're just kind of like scouting the lakes out. I've never been here before, so this is my first time even riding on the lakes. So I'm kind of just seeing where to go, things to do, and then we'll definitely come back. I'm like, this is definitely on my return list. So let's keep exploring. We'll go from there. Fancy looking hotel is the JW Marriott Rosseau Muskoka Resort. It looks pretty darn fancy. Most likely out of my price range. But beautiful view. I mean, nice place to stay if you can. So, anyways, that's one of them. Let's go see what else we can find. Oh look, they even have like cabanas and stuff. How fancy. Alright, we're gonna head out that way. Alright guys, we've made it to another lake. We are now on Lake Joseph. We're at the south end of the lake. We've just come from Rosseau and kind of went through some channels there, and a little narrow, but beautiful scenery, nice cottages there. So now we're gonna head all the way up to the tip of Lake Joseph and then make our way back from there. So let's see what happens. There's a boat coming, so I'm gonna have to wrap this up now. Let's see if he hits me. Nope, he's wide. hope you enjoyed coming out on the venture with me today. Like I said, it was fun exploring Lake Joseph and Lake Rosseau there. Just a quick run to them, kind of just see what they're about. Say that I did it. It was cool going through that lock and stuff like that. So yeah, it was a good day, beautiful day on the water. We're gonna wrap it up here, head back to the launch, and head back to the city. Call it another adventure in the books. And guys, just thanks so much for watching these videos, for subscribing. I really appreciate it. So please make sure you hit the subscribe button. Let's just build this channel as big as we can. And you know, for liking the videos and commenting on the videos. If you see me out on the water, wave, say hi. I love hearing from you guys. So until the next adventure, guys, just be safe out on the water. Peace. Oh, I should do it like this. Peace.
Bye.